Colgate 360 cleaning a box fan full of lint. By the way, the box fan is a Holmes. I actually cannot get all the way in there with this toothbrush, but if I do take this front panel off, I could. Oh, maybe this. Alright, there's the screws, screwdriver, faceplate is off. I'm going to take my foot here and hold it still. Let me find a new position. Alright. I may not show the whole cleaning process, but we'll see. If my phone don't randomly stop recording, I might show the destruction of this toothbrush. Yes, I know this toothbrush will soon meet its demise. I need a tripod. Alright, I am back. Partway done. Look at all that lint up here. I realize I've been sneezing a lot lately, so I'm assuming that this is the cause. Because lint does make me sneeze. I'm sure I'm not the only one. If my phone don't randomly stop recording, like I said once again, I'll record turning this fan on and watching how much lint would blow out of it. Just look at how much is at the bottom. Okay, that does it. I'm getting my sister's tripod. Okay, perfect. Everything's going to plan, hopefully. So now, I have both of my hands, and I would do this with two hands now. But, fan is looking clean so far. Now, because of the quality of my camera, I don't think you're going to see every detail of the lint blowing out of the fan like crazy. But I will do it before I put the plate back on. What you call it? Face cover? Whatever you call it? Whatever. I'll just call it face plate. The grill. blades too. Yeah, look at all that. I actually forgot how to get the back of it too. Alright, let me pause it and I'll get directly to seeing how much lint the fan would blow out. Alright, hang on. Alright, I don't know if you can see me yet. I don't know if you can see this perfectly or not, but here's the faceplate right here. There's a bunch of lint on the floor from it. Put the toothbrush down there right quick. Alright, y'all guys ready? 3, 2, 1. It is actually flowing quicker. I am actually scared it'll overflow. Ooh. I'm blowing it now, and you can see there's a bunch of lint everywhere. Rest in peace to my bed when it goes there. That was actually kind of awesome. For how quick the blade was blowing, I was actually kind of afraid that it would overflow, start smoking like crazy. Alright, let me get the tripod in position and I'll let y'all guys watch me put the blade back on. Alright. Now I'm going to screw this cover back on. If you want to skip straight to the toothbrush destruction, you can. That's your choice. I'm not making you watch me screw a faceplate onto a box fan. Now keep in mind, after a year of making videos, this is my first video. That is actually my longest one, I meant to say. Right now we're at 8:39 as we're talking. Probably clocked over to 8:44 maybe. Who knows? Time can move by and you cannot even know it. Alright, 2 more. Got this one over here. You know, my head might be in the way for a little bit. There we go. Silly fan. Actually screw that in. Okay, we don't want that. That's good. I screwed it in tighter, but it's not a good idea to keep it too loose, but not a good idea to keep it tight either. If the plastic can eventually thinning and snap, causing a bunch of rattling noises, which is super annoying. Trust me, I had it on my other fan because the blade was cracked, and yes, it is awful. Had to sleep all night with it. Alright, in position. Turn the fan on. Okay, I'm sorry guys, my camera cut off, so part 2 I guess. I have never seen my fan had blew that fast since I didn't clean all that lint out of it. Alright, now I'm going to cut the footage and I'm going to go straight to destruction of this toothbrush. Stay tuned. Cool out here, 50 something degrees. I ain't in nothing but shorts and tank top. Anyways, I am going to completely demise this toothbrush. Now, let's clean up an ant pile with it. There's actually a couple of ants covered in that lint from my box fan. Look at that. Most of them are living right there. That's where a whole lot of them are at. Okay, what's going on? Okay, now it doesn't, okay, there it go. You know what, I'm gonna get a shovel and dig that up too. I'll get a shovel and dig that up later. Now let's turn this on. Back up from this ant pile. These ants are getting crazy. Probably climbing up all over my shoe. Let's completely throw this toothbrush up. And out goes the Duracell batteries. There ain't no Duracell. I'm going to put the batteries back into the toothbrush and see if it will still work. Funny news. After I just put the battery back in, the power control has completely snapped off. Hang on, it's hard to do this with one hand. I don't have the tripod anymore. Yep, the power control is completely screwed. And it is over here. Ugh. Some gnat flew in my face. Anyways. Yeah, that's no good. Where's the brush? Where's the brush? Okay, here it is. Anyways, I'll just get this brush and just toss it in there. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this part too, because on the first part, the camera just stopped recording. If I know how to combine the video and, you know what, you get the whole scenario. Anyways, peace.